Which way is he gonna come in?
I don't know where he's going. But he's just now coming down to touch the ground. Keep recording. Here he comes. He's probably going to come right here because it takes him a little minute to stop.
Stupid cameras.
It's just the gate. Oh yeah, that's a big one too, isn't it? That's the Alaska
Is
flight.
that the same one from last year?
Yep, and I bet you it's a good thing we've seen it land because it landed late. So now it's going to take off.
Yeah.
Look, see the Alaska on the back?
Yeah, Eskimo guy.
Yeah, that flight got him right, for sure. Hopefully the pilot sees him and waves back.
Yeah. Oh, his lights just came on.
Yeah, I wonder if he's going to come right by here or not.
Doing some photos too, as you probably.
Oh, perfect.
It doesn't even look that big. I mean,
there's bigger ones than that for sure, but...
How big was the... Is this the same one from last year?
I don't know. That's not the biggest plane Alaska's got, though.
Do you know what the biggest airplane... Oh, he's turning right here.
Yep, you're going to see it up close. Yay! The pilot's going to wave to you.
Let's go. Give me some.
That was perfect.
Glad I don't think we can see him take off.
They'll take off. They're not going to take off again in 20 minutes. They'll have to fuel up the plane and do a bunch of stuff to it. So that was perfect.